Don't forget to hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you know when videos drop. Thanks for watching.
You never know what to expect on a peacock farm. Today was the first nice day that we had. The temperatures are going to get above 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Peacocks are out there enjoying the snow of the last 6 days, and they're walking in it. Whitey was just walking out over here and enjoying the snow, pecking at it, walking around, watching me, waiting for some mealyworms. And then I went into the pen to do my chores, and in my Cameo pen, one of my peahens was in the corner. And I go, oh no, what's going to happen with her? I'm going to have to bring her in the house and warm her up. The cold got to her. But it was only 12 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit. That's not unusually cold for the bird. And as I got closer, and she was sitting on some eggs. I can't hardly believe it. December 16th, 2020, she's on eggs. We had an email from one of our YouTube viewers saying that their bird was laying eggs and wondered what to do with it. Mrs. Peacock and I decided we're just going to let her sit on the egg for 28 days and we'll see what happens. Mrs. Peacock thinks she's going to hatch the egg, and I think she isn't, because I have not seen our peacocks in this pen displaying and showing off their feathers like they normally do during spring months of April through August. But we'll see. We'll just let her do her thing. I'll feed her some mealworms. She'll get up and get water from our heated waterers. And in 28 days, we'll see if we indeed have a baby pea chick. If that happens, which I doubt, we're going to have to raise that pea chick in the house, and I guess I'll have a new pet peacock by spring. What a difference a day makes here on the Peacock Farm in Iowa, USA, North America. I got my Christmas surprise this morning.
Order the Wacky World of Peafowl books at peafowl.com.